done with shoot. The weather these days has been very unpredictable. It's like very hot and sunny one moment and then now it's raining. So sad. Now I'm gonna meet my friend Jermaine. I'm at her office. I'm gonna have lunch with her. Pretty much did Cheryl. I'm sorry. Pei Yu is the other intern is on leave today, so after lunch I gotta rush back to the office, else she's gonna nag at me for leaving her alone again. My friend is judging me. Jermaine! She's judging me. I can't stand it. Okay, anyway. She's bringing me to eat this Thai fan. This is my second time having it and it's so good. And usually for my Thai fan, I'll order 2 veg and 1 meat. I think it's like the best balance and most affordable.
Can we eat?
Okay, let's eat. Hey, come visit. Got new free clothes. Thank you. Gross. Everybody support Lovette. Lovette.sg. I'm finally done with a full day of work. I was at the Etude House Wisma store earlier, picking out some of the materials that I'm going to be using for this coming weekend's workshop. I can't wait to see all of you guys. And then I went to do a laser at Estate Clinic, which is the clinic that I go to. And now I'm gonna wait for Matt to end work and come and look for me for dinner. We hardly ever have dinners on weekdays, or we hardly even meet on weekdays, apart from in the morning and at night, because you know we stay together. But usually he ends work really late and I end work really late as well, so that's why we don't really see each other on weekdays. But tomorrow is a public holiday and I'm finally gonna get 1 day of rest. I just want to stay in bed and watch YNC Palace the whole day. But Matt's gonna be so bored, so I think I shouldn't deprive him of his public holiday. So we should go do some grocery shopping and cooking or something. Bye! Enjoy your public holiday. It's Hari Raya tomorrow. Good morning! It is Hari Raya today, which is a public holiday in Singapore. And I just want to wish you all a happy Hari Raya to all of my Muslim friends that are celebrating. I woke up at 1 PM today. I haven't had this long break in so long because I've just been working and traveling a lot, and yeah, pretty much my weekends are pretty blown by workshops, which I'm not complaining, but most of the time I'm running really little on sleep. It's lunchtime. I can finally wake up to lunchtime. That's like the best thing ever. Okay, I think so today we're gonna be baking. So, what are we baking? Okay, he's not answering me. But we are baking really chewy cookies. I've got this cookbook called Mary Berry Cookery Course. Hopefully I can find something in here that I can use. But if not, Google will be my best friend. I'm actually reading my cookbook. And I'm getting quite a lot of interesting and useful tips. Do not store cakes and biscuits together. I didn't know that because the moisture from the cake will soften the biscuit. Wow. Whee! We are out now. Going to buy some baking supplies because we don't have chocolate chips. We don't have bread flour because I read this tasty YouTube video and their recipe requires bread flour. So here at Bun Huat, gonna buy some stuff. To my cooking show with my sous chef. Okay, today we're making chewy chocolate chip cookies.
It's not that dry. Can I make it dry?
Yes.
How dry must it be?
Pretty sure it's not supposed to be this rough.
No?
Tap it with your
Be
hand.
gentle, right?
Yeah,
Oh.
tap it with your hand. No! Tap it like that. Yeah. Yes, good job.
This is faster. Huh?
Okay, yeah, like that is faster. Good job. Yeah.
You sure? 2 tablespoons of salt.
Two tablespoons of salt.
2 tablespoons of salt.
Oh, 2 teaspoons. Oh my gosh, 2 teaspoons. Whew. I am the joke. 1, 2. Okay, so now we are looking for a glass measuring cup. Seems like we don't have that when you have plastic ones, so. Wow, they're huge! It's burnt. I think we put 2 little chocolate chips. I chose one that is very ugly. The shape is like out of shape. Got something wrong got better, so I don't know how it will turn out. We shall see. Wow, it's actually quite moist.
Looks nice.
Mashed soya.
I think the consistency is just nice.
Yay! A huge ass one and put ice cream on top. Hopefully it'll be nice. Having dinner with my friends. Ordered the mentaiko salmon. This is a bit rich, but this is very nice. The wagyu truffle. Sweet karaoke, plain nuts. Morning! So today it's back to work day and I'm packing for my video shoot. We're gonna go to the studio to shoot some YouTube videos, and today I'm planning a video to talk about my eczema and my eczema product recommendations. So I gotta be quite thorough and make sure I got everything. Got to the studio. It's such a wet and rainy day today, and you know, it's been for the past few days. I'm getting ready, my Dyson Supersonic. We are drenched completely because it's been raining again and we had to run to the car to grab an umbrella and go and grab our lunch. So, what are we having today?
Yum
Yum-mian! Tanda! I really love yum-mian and it's like the best thing to eat. Yeah, I really like your shirt. Where do you get it from?
Korea.
Wow.
Stop being such a creep!
Watch my Korean haul here. Got home after a really long day. Today has been super busy. I'm sorry I didn't really vlog that much. There really isn't anything interesting. I'm waiting for 8 p.m. to go live. I'm gonna be doing live for Heroin Mix Go Bold or Go Home campaign, and this is what I brought back from this studio today. My tripod, which I've attached this thingy over here to put my phone, and my ring light. Got my mirror here on standby. Makeup products. I'm gonna go live very soon. It's always very hard to get back to work or like get back into the game after a public holiday when you've just been chilling, right? Okay, I'm gonna do this and I'll see you guys in my IG live. I just showered and I'm just done with the live, guys. I am so appreciative. I know I say this a lot, but you know, just now during the live, the connection was so bad. I tried it like 3 times. I restarted the live again and again. I tried all of the Wi-Fi available. I tried my 4G, I tried my 3G, I tried to restart my phone. And turns out at the end, the live was still really pixelated and blurred. I am so angry with myself. I just felt like I wasted all of your time. Like, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, and I mean, you guys are really so nice and so patient with me, and that's why sometimes when these things happen, I always feel like I let y'all down, and I'm just very sorry. Yeah, I know I shouldn't be beating myself up too much like over it because it's an IG live after all. And to be honest, I feel like every single time you guys take your time out to watch me, and there were so many of you who still continued to watch me despite looking at that very blurred and pixelated screen, listening to whatever I'm saying, and still talking to me and chatting with me in the comments, even though you guys couldn't really see what I was doing, especially you, Melody, if you're watching this. Thank you so much for being so attentive and for, you know, just keeping the conversation going during the live just now. I really appreciate it, and I'm really sorry once again, guys. Like, I don't know what else I could have done. It was bad. I'm very sorry. Yeah, anyway, I just showered and I decided to put on some sports attire. Not because I'm gonna work out, but because I've been liking, like, you know, to sleep in sports attire lately, especially in gym tights. I feel that it makes my legs feel less tired the next morning. I don't know if that is what compression tights are supposed to do, but I do feel like my legs are less tired when I wake up in the morning. And I just put on a sports bra because it matches the look for the vlog. Otherwise, I'll usually be in my PJs with gym tights. Okay, so it's time to do my skincare. It is the best when it comes to waking up to good skin. So I really use a lot of products, and I try them and I rotate them. So every day I more or less try different products. Yeah, that's the only way I get to know what products are good and what isn't, and that's how I recommend products to you guys. And I try to use them for at least 3 days to 1 week before giving you guys a verdict, because I believe sometimes skincare takes a little bit longer to know whether or not it works for you. These are the products I'm using right now. These are the products that I'm stocking up, my holy grails. And yeah, it's for anyone that you like. Okay, and I'm pretty much done for the night. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. If not, it's gonna get too long. Thank you guys so much for watching this video once again. I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs. If you do, let me know in the comments box down below so I know whether or not I should continue making them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Good night.